I work as a Director Data Science and Information Proficiency for Open Health Systems Laboratory, as we call it OHSL. OHSL is a global team science consortia which leverages the best biomedical informatics, computation engineering, and then communication technology, of course, the data science as well. It's a kind of the WOS. WOS is Virtual Organization as Socio-Technical Systems. It supports scientific research directed at advancing the science, engineering, innovation, and data science, of course. So I also work as a consultant to other companies in my free time. As in my background, I am a BE, MTech, and I have done an executive MBA. Overall, I have been into the industry, IT industry, for the last 21 years, and I started as software engineer and then reached to the manager product development in multiple organizations I worked. Started in Tata Infotech, HP, CA, SCA Tech, Pitty Bose, and then last Mass Energy Systems. So if I retrospect, I see that project management was an easier transition for me. I mean, due to my many attributes, you may want to call it. Like I had eyes to detail, I was taking team along, I had a habit of very clean closure, on-time delivery, I mean, precisely all the engineering approach. But as all of us do, I also I'm also a person who gets dissatisfied in monotony. So I needed more challenges overall, and that is where I decided to do MBA and get into the business. And I worked for a couple of years in a group of family-owned businesses, and then I found that it was kind of a discovery for me, and I found that I was happier to work in technical domain. So at the same time, my daughter was getting into newer technology, and she was doing her BTech in data science, and that brought my attention to these new technologies, and I got curious to learn artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, etc. So that's how it started. First of all, one must need to know what do they want in the data science paradigm. So for me also, it was a kind of information I needed where exactly I fit in. And to transition to this area, I started learning Python. It was an easier first step as I had been a programmer. So learning libraries and graphs all were fun. Parallelly, as I said, my daughter was also learning. So we helped each other actually in this process. But then there were many confusions about the subject, right? So there were so many new terms, jargons coming in on the way. And I decided to learn systematically under a program. So there is where I started searching for a structured way of data science program. Initial research, I found that group was designed the curriculum in very detail. Precisely, they had everything that we want to learn and we need to learn. And during the course, we need to refresh the statistics, mathematics, and learn many new architectures which are there in deep learning, machine learning. So my program GCDAI is designed as per this, and it's very thorough. Apart from that, our faculty is experienced in this field, so because they belong to the industry. They are data science practitioner and especially experienced in teaching as well. And they were able to explain the concepts in very interesting and detailed way. INSEAD has an advanced method of course delivery as well. So that helped in this pandemic time. Apart from that, assignments also are continuously given. So that helps to practice it along the course. So overall, my group, if I talk about that, it is enthusiastic and learnable people there. So it all helped actually to grasp the concepts and practice it side by side and building that confidence which is required. So I work with few clients and I own their data science work. That includes data collection, understanding, transformations, data analysis, and then modeling, and then presenting it back to them, having a lot of discussions with them. I have small teams to do these activities with me. In bioinformatics area, we are involved in many research works with raw data itself. Um, we work with the different scientists to understand their domain, their problem areas, and then we present the insights of the data to them. We do feature engineering, we run predictive models, and we help them deploying in some cases as well. As in third stage, we also suggest the features that can be helpful to the client's products and their customers as well. So it's kind of a very tedious, demanding, and involved work. But to me, it is very rewarding. And not only our machines, we are all learning a lot day by day. In my opinion, it is very helpful to learn in a structured way. It's vast, and you go by just YouTube videos or a certificate courses, you will not have enough understanding to create the solutions. So, secondly, I think get involved in real-time projects, as it is going to help a lot. That makes us understand that it is not just the modeling. There is also a lot to be done before the modeling and after the modeling as well. I especially say this to the recent pass outs. And I think lastly, be ready to be hands on. That's it from my side. Thank you.